YouTube. Today I wanted to show you guys how you can make really cool pop can tab bracelets and like chains for like your pants or like accessories, stuff like that. And it's really easy and it's like free. You're only gonna need three main components for this. You'll need obviously pop can tabs, something to hook them onto if you're making a chain or a bracelet so that they stay all nice and organized. I'm going to be using one of these little ball chain, little keychain ring things, and nail clippers or metal snips, tin snips, wire cutters, something to cut them. But fingernail clippers or toenail clippers like these work perfectly fine, and they're really cheap. So that's what I use all the time. If you're going to make a tab chain, like how I'll show you in the video, you'll need to cut the pop tabs in one spot, and that's right here, directly in the middle. I mean, you can cut them different places, but I think this keeps them the most structurally sound. And bend them open just a tiny, tiny bit so that you can slip them onto other pop tabs. So, take one pop tab like this, and then slip on 5 more through the bottom, like this. Make sure that you put them in a direction 3 facing the right and 2 facing the left, or vice versa, so that it's all smooth sides on the outside of the chain. So we'll do 3 facing that way, as you can see, and then we'll do it the other way. Like that. And after a while, you can maneuver them, and any stuck out parts will just be bent inwards, and it'll be perfectly fine. So now, what you're going to want to do is take another pop tab that you've cut, and then start maneuvering it through the tabs you've already placed on the other tab. This is like the most time consuming part of this, is putting it on like this. Like that. So now you can do this process all over again. So 5 tabs, the smooth sides out. After that, all you have to do is just wiggle them a little bit like this, and it'll bend any uneven parts into place so that they fit and move nicely. And just keep going. That process over and over and over. And there you go. Pop can tab chain. This one's really small though because I only had a couple of tabs, and so this equals out to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 tabs. So that's 45 cans of either pop or beer or liquor, whatever, canned shit. Obviously I'm not drinking beer because it tastes like shit. Steal it off of my friends' cans. So yeah, there you go.